Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import your data from Todoist over to ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just started using ClickUp, but you're coming over from Todoist. How do you actually go ahead and import all your data from Todoist all the way over to ClickUp? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the upper right hand corner, your profile icon, then click on Settings. Now from here, on the left-hand side, you want to click on Import/Exports. Then go ahead and scroll down until you find Todoist, which is located right over here. Now what's going to happen is that it's going to prompt you to log into Todoist. And so simply just follow the on-screen prompts so that you can import your data from Todoist all the way over to ClickUp. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and import your data from Todoist to ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.